warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Miss Fitriana. Good morning, everyone. I'm Nikan Firly Andida, representing group for who will present the results of the discussion on the themes of Generation Z as the Strawberry Generation. Previously, introduced my group of 5 people. Alicia Salma Hanum Kuspita, Putri Mailani, Indah Nazilatul, Lila Kurniasari, and will be continue Nikan Firly Andina. We have to in Alicia Salma Hanum Kuspita.
Abstract purpose. Generation Z is one of the generation that has been growth in recent years. There is a lot of talk about Gen Z because Gen Z is known as generation that is easily destroyed with just a little pressure. Gen Z also often give up easily and has a less resilient mentality. Maybe for some people this happens because they are directly faced with the era digitalization from an early age and everything has been facilitated by technological advance. The purpose of this study was to learn about some people's statement that Gen Z is the strawberry generation. Design or methodology. The study used quantitative and qualitative approach with a questionnaire distribution survey strategy. Questionnaire surveys research was conducted to find out the opinions of some people about the statement of strawberry generation and to find out the impact of the nickname. The study used a purposive sampling strategy and collected data from 50 respondents. Samples are selected based on predetermined criteria, originality or value. The strawberry generation is a nickname intended for Gen Z. The term strawberry generation was originally born in Taiwan. This term refers to several new generations as a gentle as strawberries. The choice of strawberries as the name of this new generation is also because strawberries look beautiful and exotic, but easily broken if stepped on or pressed. Prof. in Renald Casali's book and one of the online lecture opportunities through live YouTube. The strawberry generation is a generation full of creative idea, but easily give up and is easily injured. We see this definition through social media. Young people come up with so many creative ideas and no more tweets describing their moods.
Okay, here I will explain the introduction of this journal. Generation Z, or known as Gen Z or Zoomers, is a generation born in 1997 until 2012. This generation was born after the millennial generation and before the alpha generation. Gen Z grew up with much easier access to the internet world than during the era of the millennial generation, baby boomer generation, and Generation X. As the first generation to grow up with the development of the internet and digitalization technology, Gen Z is also often dubbed as digital native, or people who grow up along with digital reforms. Generation Z has the advantage of being able to multitask because they can do various things at the same time, such as using computers, playing social media, and listening to music. The reason is Gen Z has been exposed to the technology since they were born so that they can take full advantage of technology. Gen Z has the characteristic that it's easy to understand a newly released technology because they are familiar with technology from an early age. Thus, Gen Z becomes a creative and innovative generation because they are open-minded and want to try new things. Referring to the survey result, as many as 54.4% of respondents agree that Gen Z is an instant generation where everything has been made easier. This makes it easier for Gen Z to find new things they want. For example, the rise of content creators who sell on various platforms, from entrepreneurs to business that have not existed before becomes business, they are in demand by some Gen Z, such as renting iPhone, buying and selling ugly cats. Although it looks trivial, but still they have a market among young people who buy or rent it. On the other hand, Gen Z also has the nickname Strawberry Generation because some people think that Gen Z is a generation that is lazy, cannot be exposed to a little pressure, give up easily, and hurts our mental breakdown. According to some people, this happens because Gen Z is used to technology that has changed everything is easy to do. So, if in so, if Gen Z give up easily once they feel a little pressured, but there are also some parties who disagree with the statement because after all Gen Z has created new things or ideas that are useful. Gen Z is also starting to implement work-life balance because for them these two things are equally important, so they must maintain their balance so that they are not mentally disturbed. According to Tara De Tours, a psychologist who graduated from the University of Indonesia, quoted by Basuki Eka Purnama 2023 in his article that Gen Z face many demands from the previous generation, including from parents and even themselves. Not to mention, there is competition. Living with social media with all its negative impacts. They have big demand on themselves. Competition. They have to grow with social media with all its negative impact. Comparing themselves with others, FOMO or fear of missing out, worry about missing something that is trending, and others. Not to mention the needs of life are getting higher, said Tara, because they were born in an all-digital world with all the convenience and obstacles, plus cultural difference with generation. Previously, it was not uncommon for the condition to make them underestimate. In this journal, we will break down several problem formulations including number 1, how respondents responded about the nickname Gen Z Strawberry Generation. Number 2, how respondents responded to an instant generation Gen Z. Number 3, how respondents respond to the statement that Gen Z children easily break down. Number 4, with what do respondents think with the statement that Gen Z always want their opinions to be heard and tends to be easily hurt if their opinions are ignored. Number 5. How respondents think about Gen Z usually believing in certain issues without prior research.
Method. This research uses quantitative and qualitative methods, namely discussion research methods that collect data from various sources such as from books, journal articles, and empirics from the results of questionnaire distribution survey. According to Sukiyarti 2018, starting a questionnaire is a data collection technique carried out by giving a set of question or written statement to respondents to answer them. This data collection technique was carried out by research by distributing a list of written question or questionnaire to consumers who use GoRide online transportation service to resident of RW6 is Cakung Village respondents. This data collection is based on respondent answer and response to statements submitted by research.
For the next, I will explain the result and discussion. First, the result of the respondent obtained. The first is The first is regarding the respondents' response about the nickname Gen Z called Strawberry Generation. As many as about 67% agree with the statement, because according to research conducted by McKinsey in the year 2018, cited in Bali Socrates Journal, that Gen Z behavior can be grouped into four major components based on a strong foundation. That Gen Z is a generation that seeks a truth. First, Gen Z is referred to as the undefined ID, where this generation values the expression of each individual without giving certainly labels. The search for identify makes Gen Z have a great openness to understanding the unique of each individual. Secondly, Gen Z is identified as the communaholic, a generation that is very inclusive and interested in getting involved in various communities by utilizing technological sophistication to explain the benefit they want to provide. Utilizing technological sophistication to explain the benefits they want to provide. Third, Gen Z is known as the dialoguer, a generation that believes in the importance of communication in conflict resolution and that change comes through dialogue. In addition, Gen Z is open to the thought of different individuals and like to interact with others. Then about response regarding Gen Z instant generation. The result of this second problem has an almost balanced percentage of respondents who agree and doubt. As many as 42% of respondents agree that Gen Z is an instant generation, where when they were born everything was made easier by technology. But not a few also think that it's 100% true, because there are 55% of respondents who have not really validated this, because in reality, the provision of qualified technological facilities has shaped the nature of Generation Gen Z to be lazy. Next statement about Gen Z children are prone to mental breakdown. A total of about 70% of respondents agree with this, also supported by a report published by American Psychological Association. Gen Z is the most likely of all generations to report poor mental health. Another reason to Gen Z is considered inequality, where weaker is due to unmet social needs, including income, higher education, employment, better food, luxury housing, convenience, transportation, social support, security, and others. For the next statement will be continued by my colleague. Niken Firly Andina.
Regarding the opinion in the statement that said that Gen Z always want their opinion to be heard and tends to be easily heard if their opinions are ignored. For some people, this happiness because Gen Z is used to everything being instant and easy for them to get. For others, they agree because the majority of Gen Z in their environment is like that. But there are some people who also disagree because they think other generation may also feel the same way when their opinions are ignored. The survey also said that this trend may reflect the encouragement of Gen Z children to actively participate in decision-making process and conversations. Engagement with social media and technology can also reinforce the desire for organized space of expression, just as the desire to be heard and respect is an important aspect of intergenerational communication, but it can also be an opportunity to build healthy communication skill and mutual understanding between different generations. Then, then about the opinion of respondents related to Gen Z, it's easy to believe in certain issue with our research. This for some or even the average respondent does not agree with the statement because they think it can happen because they grow up where technology has advanced and makes it easier for them to receive news with just a notification, where the news has been without circulates viral without knowing whether the news is valid or not. And according to them, this is because Gen Z is starting to be smart to study certain issue because they have also been able to research with the extent of digitalization, which is very developed. For some other who agree with the statement because they think it's cold because Gen Z is now mostly FOMO about information, lifestyle, and because of this, sometimes some Gen Z tend not to sort out the information they receive. This can also happen because of the case of accessing information through the internet and social media. Some people may be tempted to agree with doing general education research, digital and critical literary education, and understanding it's essential for Gen Z and our generation to sift through information, exams, search, and form opinion based of fact. It is challenge and a shared responsibility to shape a society of critical and reliable information. B. Figure and table. Figure 1. Example image caption. The circle diagram state that 66,7% of respondents agree with the statement, but not all. Gen Z can be declared and as Gen Z, as the strawberry generation will 15,2% of the diagram agree with discussion, and the diagram also show 18,2% respondents that this statement as normal. Figure 2, sample description. Gen Z said that the current era is very important for the internet because of the demands and percentage of 54,5%. Figure 3, sample description. Everyone signed 69,7% have the same mentality, but everyone thinks that not everyone has this mentality.
Conclusion. Basically, the environment and existing conditions will affect the nature of someone who lives in it. As happened with Generation Z, in an era where there is already technological interference in it. Therefore, the existing technology also affects the sets and nature that exists in them. Most of them probability are an admin that they are the strawberry generation. To break down, easy to be left without research first. All want to be heard or in such generation. This tendency assure certainly because there are factors that encourage this to happen, such as existing technology influence the emergence of the nickname Strawberry Generation in Generation Z, because in terms of creative, Gen Z experience superiority, but in terms of giving up easily, Gen Z is also part of it. This is related to Gen Z who are still hesitant if the are an instant generation, because although there are technologies that facilitate the fact is that not all technology be used by all Gen Z, so that finally an instant. Gen Z so they an instant generation in format. However, some who have been able to take advantage of technology have an that tends to be lazy because of the instantaneous that exist. Thus also affect the nickname is the strawberry generation, because the instant this makes the nature that tend to give up easily and easy for them to get mental breakdown, even according to a report published by the American Psychological Alliance. Gen Z is the most likely of all generations to report mental health. But regarding the statement that Gen Z is a generation that always wants to be heard and a person to easily believes with hard research. Maybe both statements are also found in other generations, because especially everyone wants to be heard and does not want to be ignored. So according to our source, he disagrees with the statement the only generation thus will be heard, then in the factor of age of thirst without research. This may also apply to other generations, given that of research exists at the time the technology is either emergent or RAM. The nature of Gen Z, who AC believes and not rush, which is an attitude that grows from the legends that grow when there is an instant of technology. Therefore, Gen Z is not entirely as easy to be loved without reservoirs, because it has been supported by technology advance. The statement easy to be left may also apply to previous generation, because considering that before technology, research on art information was very limited. Suggestion: Generation Z, or the strawberry generation, to get the bots to develop resilient emotional resilience to be able to deal with the complexities and pressure of life. Just as strawberries grow with resilience to various weather changes, emotional resilience is an important key to ensuring the success in the face of less rapidly evolving social, economic, and technology challenges by providing support such as stress management, independence, generally able to cope calmly. In addition, it is necessary to emphasize the development of high quality as an important aspect in forming an innovative strawberry version. As strawberries vary in color and shape, will enrich their intellectual and artistic abilities, encouraging participants in them the opportunity to discover their unique potential and embrace difference, source inspiration and strength. Thus, Generation Z can bring diverse and meaningful contribution in building a more dynamic society. The role in the selection of friends and association is very important in the future because it one of the influence on the existential of the Generation Z in current era. Communication and a sporty environment is also a driving force of emotional in everyone, but the control is in each person.
Okay, thank you for your participation. I will end today's meeting. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.